Here we are, guys, back at it again. Today we're gonna head over to Hungalelti West Trail, and before we do so, we're gonna head down to the lake and just to enjoy this beautiful view. If you enjoy watching, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, guys. Have a good one.
Lock. Lock it. You good? Keep coming. Turn. Let's go. Slow, go slow. Go. Straight your wheel. There you go. Straight. There you go. Coming back, put you straight now. Come back too far. Okay, I told you. You just have to. All the way. Okay, straighten it up. All right, now, driver. Yeah, keep going, driver. Reverse and back up? No, you good. Keep this way. You're gonna climb that a little bit, but you're fine. No, keep driving a little bit. More driver. You're good on that side, yeah. Easy, other jump, buddy. All right, all the straight. Turn. Just a little bit. Go back. Hey, your rear locker on? Turn it on. You're losing traction already. Hey, Yang, just watch me, all right? Straight. Now turn a little bit. You're coming. Straight out your wheel. Straight. Yep, straight. Now turn. You're gonna go over the rock. Too much rock. It's okay. When you go back, rồi có một back á, có straight á, có lột kia hả? Rồi có lò, có phỏ sao lại nó hả? Yeah, you should be good. Yeah. It's just a little bit. Just like straighten it out a little bit and then có ghé á, có đi phỏ. Because your rear gonna clear. Back a little bit. I'll tell you when to stop. Keep going. Stop. Straighten out your wheel. Just keep it straight. Hold it straight, all right? Come forward. Yep, just like that. Motherfucking money, boys.
watching that long pulley. Really high. Yeah. Now turn, not driver. Driver all the way.
Slow.
Slow on the top. There you go. You clear it. You clear it.
Turn right a little bit. Okay. Give it some juice. Straighten out your tire. Straight up. Keep your wheel straight. Straight up. You got your locker? Straight up.
You better turn on that locker, the rear locker.
Reverse back, bro. Okay.
There?
Yep, that's good. Just shoot straight up. Once that rear tire bump over, turn. There you go. Just like that. Straight. Come straight. Once that rear tire come over, they turn. Straight. No, don't turn yet. You turn too early. Come over. You gotta give it Yeah, there you go. Start it. Get on. Turn it. There you go. It's all done. You notice that like he turned way too early before he got over, and then it tired. Yeah.